Have you ever watched an ice skater start a slow glide, then suddenly blur into a dizzying spin without pushing off the ice? No extra muscles, no extra force, just arms moving. It looks like magic, but it is actually a geometric cheat code built into the laws of physics. Today we crack that code. The secret is rotational inertia. Think of it as spin resistance. The farther your mass sits from your center, the harder it is to spin. Extend your arms, and you become a wide, slow gyroscope. Pull them in, and you shrink your spin resistance. But here is the catch. You cannot create or destroy spin energy. It stays constant. Scientists call this conservation of angular momentum. Picture a spinning chair. Sit with arms wide and weights in your hands. You spin slowly. Pull the weights to your chest and you accelerate instantly. You did not push harder. You just moved mass closer to your center. Your spin resistance dropped, so your speed had to rise to keep the energy balanced. Same energy, smaller package, faster result. Ice skaters master this compression. They start with arms wide for stability, then whip them into a tight pencil position. Their rotational inertia plummets. Their RPMs spike. The core strength required is immense because centrifugal force fights to throw those limbs back outward. They are not just spinning, they are wrestling physics into submission. This principle runs the universe. Collapsing stars spin faster as they shrink. Galaxies rotate because mass pulled inward accelerates. Satellites use spinning wheels to orient themselves in space without rockets. From ice rinks to nebulae, geometry commands speed. I am Mr. G. Keep pulling knowledge closer and watch your understanding accelerate.